Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to create a pie chart in Google Sheets with percentage. Let's begin. Example, select product and quantity. Go to Insert tab, Chart, and select the chart type. Drop down menu, Insert pie chart. See this menu chart option. Okay. Then customize pie chart and see this slice level. Select the drop down menu slash level percentage, click, and now we can see this create pie chart with percentage. Change the color, that's it, and see this many options. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.